I'm on the outside.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is MissingnoXpert, and welcome back to another channel update video. Now in this video I'll be doing another channel update. I've done these in the past, so there shouldn't be anything new unless I don't think I've done this for a while, so some of the new subscribers or new viewers may think this is new, but I have done one of these before. I just basically talk about what I will be doing with my channel, what series I'll be continuing, and the possible new series on my channel. So this is also recorded on January the 1st, so Happy New Year if this gets posted on the 1st. It is now 2018. But yeah, anyways, let's get started. So continuing series. Obviously I will be continuing Pixelmon. It is my favorite series that I have done, and I am doing it. I plan to do a lot of episodes in it, and yeah, this is just the thumbnail from the second episode, but I do have a third episode recorded, and that one is a kind of a collab, and it's featuring Gamer's Hits. You might know him. If you know me, you probably know him. But we did do a battle, and then we did do some stuff after that. But my recording did end like halfway through, so I have like half of my own recording. You'll see when it gets posted. But we did do a battle, and you can watch the video to see who wins, but the video will get posted later probably. And yeah, so I will be continuing Pixelmon. Another one is Skybounds. Now, Skybounds, I have one episode recorded and it's 4 minutes long, so it's not really an episode, but that one episode uploaded. I have two other ones recorded, so second and third. Well, not completely, like half of an episode recorded, but I have a second episode recorded, which was recorded like a month ago, and I don't know why I didn't post it. I kind of forgot about it, but I will post it as soon as I can, probably. Well, the Pixelmon is probably getting posted right after this video, so maybe today. And Skybounds maybe in 2 or 3 days, I'm not sure, but then I have another one. And yeah, on Skybounds, I'm just kind of getting started because I only have 3 episodes recorded, so not that much. But yeah, so next up, the third one is Clash Royale. Now, Clash Royale, I have been doing, and it's a really fun game, but I've kind of stopped playing it, and then I only play it occasionally, but now I want to start fully playing it again. And the thing is, I have 4 episodes recorded that need to be edited. So, yeah, I have 4 episodes. One of them is a sudden death challenge, one of them is a different challenge, and the other 2 are videos on the new updates, the ones that came this month, December and November, those updates. And the December one's actually 40 minutes long, so I might split it into 2 parts, or I might do like a very long video, because I haven't done Clash Royale in a long time. But yeah, because the sudden death one's pretty short, and yeah, the update ones are pretty long. So yeah, those are recorded, they're long, they're old. The sudden death one, I think it's 3 months old, something like that, or more even. Yeah, I'll put like a notice at the beginning of the video that it's an old video. I've done that before. But yeah, the update ones shouldn't be that bad. So yeah, Clash Royale is another one that I will be continuing. And next is new possible series, so series that I might start on my channel. The first one is Geometry Dash. Now, I have been playing a bit of Geometry Dash, and I really like it. I really enjoy it, and sorry if you do hear background noise, but I really like Geometry Dash, and it's a game that I really enjoy, and yeah, I might record it and post some videos on it. Sorry if you do hear background noise, but the next one is Asphalt 8 Airborne. No, didn't mean to do that. You probably know what the next one is. Keep doing that. Okay, Asphalt 8 Airborne. So this is a game that I used to play. 3 years ago, I used to play it a lot. I got 39 cars, I'm pretty sure, in it, out of 70. Well, it was out of 70, then it came to like 114, but now I haven't played in a long time, and I want to restart it. I want to start from the beginning, and because I want to do like a full playthrough on YouTube, because I might record it. If you guys like racing games, then I will post this one, and I really enjoy it, and I want to go back to it. And I did do it on my iPad, but I want to find a way, if there is a way to do it on a computer, then I will do it. But yeah, that's another choice. And the next one is hill climb racing. Now this is actually, for a fact, the first game I ever played. When I was really young, the first game I ever played was hill climb racing, and I really enjoyed it. I got like almost all the cars, almost all the, what are they called? Like not the backgrounds, but I don't know, but what they're called, like the tracks, not the courses, I don't know. Almost all of those, like there's countryside, the one that's in the background, there's desert, Arctic, and there's a lot of different ones. But yeah, sorry if you do hear background noise. So that is another game that I might play, I might record, and yeah, I might start from the beginning, cause the first one I ever played was on an old phone that does now not work. So yeah, I can't go back to my original one, but I have played this multiple times, so I might start from the beginning. Okay, so the next one is Pocket Mine. Now, Pocket Mine is one of the first games that I ever played, but I have downloaded it now, and I might restart it because I downloaded it now and I started playing it a lot, and I actually got to level 16 already, and I downloaded it like 2 weeks ago, or 3. But yeah, it is a fun game, and I might post it on YouTube. Not much to say about this one, but yeah, you just mine, and you get different picks, different cards, and cards like do different damage. Like there's chests, there's artifacts, there's special boosts, there's a lot of things, and I really enjoy it. And the next one is actually Pokemon Yellow. Now, if I do decide to do this one will be kind of hard, but I'll actually do not a Let's Play, but what's called a Let's Glitch. Now, you might have seen this, you might have not. I got the idea from a YouTuber by the name of MissingnoXpert, and he does like these Let's Glitches and shiny hunts. I might link his channel in the description because I mentioned him. But yeah, Pokemon Yellow, I do not have it on like a Game Boy. I have it on an emulator, so it will be kind of different when I record it. But yeah, I am actually at the 6th gym, but I do have because it is on an emulator, I do have a save state from the beginning, so I can go back to that and I can start a new series. But yeah, that's Pokemon Yellow. It will be a Let's Glitch, so showing off all the glitches and also playing through, and I'll also be like half Let's Play, half Let's Glitch. Of course, I'll challenge all the gyms, and I'll use the glitches to skip the gyms and stuff, because it does have a lot of glitches in it. Okay, so the next one, these are all Let's Plays, and Pokemon Yellow is not grouped in them because it is a Let's Glitch. But Black 2, X, and Omega Ruby, I have all of these games, and Black 2, I'm at the 8th gym, so I might not do that. Maybe I'll do it. It'll be kind of different, but Pokemon X and Pokemon Ruby, I can do full playthroughs of those. Yeah, so I do have a 3DS, so I can play all these games, and Sun and Moon, I don't think I'll do those, because I don't know, I'm probably just gonna skip that and go to the next generation. I might do Pokemon Moon, but I don't know, or Ultra Moon, I don't know, but I might, I don't have them yet, so these are the games I have that I might do. Okay, so next is just more final channel news. I might do like some Pokemon box unboxings or openings. Yeah, like EX boxes, GX boxes, like tins. I'll actually change that to card Pokemon, like TCG. I'll actually change that. Okay, so there it is. I might post some Pokemon card box openings or unboxings, cause yeah, I like to see, like, when I open boxes, or I like getting EXs or GXs, and I figured that I might record it and I might post it on YouTube. And comment below if you want me to make a separate channel for these. Like, I'll leave this one as gaming channel, and then I might make a different one for unboxings. But yeah, 25/33 subscriber special coming soon, and 50 subscriber special coming soon. Now, I did have 2 subscriber specials planned out, and I still can do them, but I plan to make one for 25, one for 33, but I kind of hit 50 faster than I expected. So one of them will be 25/33, and the other will just be 50 subscribers. And then new outro coming soon. Like, the outro is like the thing at the end of the video. I used to have one, but that one was kind of bad with my old intro. But I have a new one, and I have like 2 different choices. So I'll probably make a video with like 2 different choices. But that'll be in like at least a week or something, because I do want to get all my Pokemon, Pixelmon, and Skybound and Clash Royale ones posted. So yeah, and that is it. So a basic summary is that I will be continuing Pixelmon, Skybound, and Clash Royale. And new possible series are Geometry Dash, Asphalt 8 Airborne, Hill Climb Racing, Pocket Mine, Let's Glitch Pokemon Yellow, Pokemon Black 2, Pokemon X, Pokemon Omega Ruby, all of those Let's Plays. And then all of this I might do unboxings, and subscriber specials are coming soon, and a new outro is coming soon. But yeah, anyways, Happy New Year, because this is getting recorded on the 1st. It might get posted on January 1st also. But yeah, Happy New Year, because it is 2018 now, and this was like a video which I showed you the channel updates, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you like the series that I might be doing. And comment down below which ones you want me to do, which ones you would enjoy if I did. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of the channel updates. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.